Okay, so good day, grade 4. So our lesson for today is all about rounding off decimal numbers. So as a short recap, we will review the place numbers of the decimals. So here is the ones place, the tens place. So ito yung ating tinatawag na whole numbers. And then the decimal point is ito yung nagsiseparate between the whole numbers and the decimal numbers. So the place value for the decimal numbers is starting with the tenths, followed by the hundreds, thousands, and then the 10,000s, and so on and so forth. So now, since we are now in rounding off, the concept here in rounding off is parehas lang sila ng pagra-round off sa ating whole number, wherein there are or we have a two rules regarding in rounding off. So the round up and the round down. So for example, we will round off by the nearest whole number. So meaning when we say nearest whole number, this is the ones place. So nearest whole number. So therefore, titingin lang tayo or we will look at the right side corner or the right next number or digit sa ating given. And then the rule here is if the digit to the right of rounding place is higher than 5, we will add 1. So therefore, for example, since number 8 is greater than 5, we will add 1. So plus 1. So 35 plus 1. So 35 plus 1, we have here 36. And then, since the rule here is magiging 0 yung kasunod na number, but since we are now in decimal numbers, so therefore we will hindi na natin kailangan isulat yung mga 0 to the next number. So therefore, this is your final answer. So 36. Now, how about if example number 2? So the same given pa rin yung gagamitin ko. Okay. So what if we will round off the numbers or the digit to the nearest tenths. So when we say tenths, therefore nasa decimal places siya with THS. So i-round off natin itong si number 8 or the nearest tenths place value. So we will titingin tayo dito sa next number, which is number 4. So number 4 is less than 5. So therefore, the rule here is round down. The digit will retain. So 35, we will copy 35 here. And then decimal point. And yung 8 is i-retain lang natin. And then, hindi na natin gagawing 0 yung next na digit. So therefore, the answer here is 35 and 8 tenths. Since rounding off lang tayo. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, round up and then round down. So, i-apply lang natin yung rules in rounding off numbers. The same with the rounding off decimal numbers. So, yun lang grade 4. So, goodbye.